Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Harita. Today I am going to show you how to make carrot cake. So for that you need 1 cup of grated carrots, and we need 1 cup of oats powder. I just made a powder out of oats like this, fine powder. And we need 1 cup of sugar. You can take brown sugar, white sugar, granulated sugar, any sugar, whatever the sugar you are using, you can use it. Here I choose half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. So 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. A pinch of nutmeg powder. 1/4 cup of almond flakes. So just mix it everything roughly like this. So preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I got 2% milk. It's like approximately 1 cup. You should not add all together. You have to add gradually while working. So take one baking. Take your baking tray and apply some oil.
I did. Is it?
It's made with oatmeal and milk. So it is a little like a wiggly kind of thing. It's not like a regular cake. So you don't find that stiffness, but it tastes very, very good and very healthy for all the ages. You can definitely eat it how much you want, and in place of sugar, you can use any kind of substitute for the replacement of the sugar.
The cake is very good, nice. It's soft in the middle and there's a good crunch to the bottom because of how it was baked. It's also different from our regular cakes because there's no milk, because there's milk in here along with oatmeal. It keeps the cake from getting stiff. I really like this cake and the carrot flavor in here. I would highly recommend this recipe.
Thank you. And I have also added cinnamon powder for the best taste. You can even add nutmeg powder. So my dear friends, my oatmeal and carrots cake is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like my video, please give it a try and let me know how do you like it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. You have a great day. Bye bye.